Which is better, BAYC or Azuki? Hey, and welcome to the crypto world, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we want to let you know this video is not financial advice, and we're not financial advisors. So before investing any money, do your own research. That being said, let's get into the video. Have you ever seen those sensational ape-styled NFT pictures roaming around the internet? You may have wondered what they are and why everyone seems to be so obsessed with them. Well, believe it or not, they're worth more than you can imagine, and that's the reason why some of the biggest celebrities have also bought them. Some of them are even sold for millions of dollars, making them the best choice for art collectors. BAYC, or Bored Ape Yacht Club, created and launched those NFTs in the market, attracting buyers and celebrities. Just after the NFTs were launched, it created a buzz. Soon after, celebrities like Paris Hilton bought one of those ape NFTs. But recently, another NFT project named Azuki was raised, creating a never-ending competition between the two. Azuki lets you have NFTs, customize their features, and use them to display on your profile. And yeah, some of the Azuki NFTs were also sold for millions of dollars, making them hot for the entire NFT collector community. So, here comes the question in everyone's mind: should you buy BAYC NFTs or should you go with Azuki? Which of these two is more innovative, profitable, and sensational than the other? Or better put, which is better, BAYC or Azuki? Don't think too much, because today we're going to let you know everything about these two remarkably famous NFT projects. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss more updates and insights about the crypto world. Let's get started. What are BAYC and Azuki in the first place? Bored Ape Yacht Club, BAYC, is perhaps one of the most influential NFT collections ever built and sold in the market. If you were to own all the NFTs in its collection and sell them later on, you could honestly make billions of dollars. And the reason why only a collection of NFTs can make sales of billions of dollars is that each NFT was sold at an average of 200,000. BAYC offers a dynamic collection of 10,000 NFTs that created a never-ending hype in the market. Even though you may not be able to buy any of them, the reason is everyone's bought them all. People love them. BAYC showed a complete addition of NFTs instead of creating them one by one. The addition of these special NFTs is created when the computer algorithm creates NFTs without any human interference. An NFT is fed into the algorithm, and all other NFTs are created completely randomly. The algorithm may change the hair color of one of the apes, add cigars to them, or also add jewelry. This is why some of the NFTs are rarer than others. The reason becomes the random selection by the algorithm that makes the NFT rare. Out of the 10,000 NFTs, 49 ape NFTs have daggers in their mouth, 115 have earrings, and 108 have cyborg eyes. People run to buy these rare NFTs that are unique from the rest of the collection, and to do so, they had to pay millions of dollars. One may think, how can anyone pay $1 million for just an NFT that exists only on the blockchain? Well, the answer is interesting. There are people in the world who just want to collect anything that's hyped. They don't care what the price is, they just want to own them. It's more like Pokemon cards that don't have any utility, but some of them are worth millions of dollars. The same is the case with BAYC NFTs, and this is why they are sensationally expensive. This is where another NFT project raised and attracted art collectors from BAYC, the Azuki. Azuki is an NFT profile picture project built on the Ethereum blockchain, supporting the idea of NFTs and giving utility to them. Instead of just buying the NFTs and holding them, Azuki lets you display them on all your profiles on various platforms. Azuki also launched 10,000 NFTs, but they were quite different and somehow more innovative than BAYC's. Azuki's NFTs are anime-styled, and they can be customized a little to change facial expressions and traits. Once you buy your favorite NFT, you can use it as your profile picture on many social platforms. In doing so, you can be approached by various art collectors and they may ask you to sell your NFT. But is buying and displaying your NFTs the only perk you get? Well, this is where you need to know about their utilities to find out which NFT collection is better than the other. BAYC, or Bored Ape Yacht Club, was created by a group of friends. They imagined a club where apes of the future could live and wait to rise again. This gave them enough motivation to create ape-style NFTs. Since BAYC is a club, we're going to see some of the marvelous games being released by the project. At present, there isn't any official news about any collaboration between BAYC and any other platforms, but there is a possibility that something's going to happen soon. There is news from the insiders that the team behind BAYC is trying to team up with Mark Zuckerberg's Meta and create something no one can imagine. At present, we can't see much of BAYC's NFT's utility, but if we talk about its value and fame, it's just hitting the sky. All of the NFTs have been sold, and every collector knows that their price is soon going to hit millions of dollars. This may seem unrealistic, but it's already happened in the future. Back in 2021, each ape NFT was sold at $190, but soon, after a few months, it was being sold at $20,000 per NFT. Plus, after owning any BAYC NFT, you get all the rights to print and sell its merchandise. Also, the recent roadmap by BAYC suggests that only the ape NFT holders are going to get the benefit of the new project and games that BAYC could launch. Every holder will have a say in the profit and fame that BAYC will get, and this is the reason why everyone wants to own BAYC NFTs. Owning them makes you a direct member of the Ape Club, meaning their profit indirectly becomes your profit as well. And then comes the Azuki NFTs that seem to be more innovative than BAYC, but they're less famous and less expensive than BAYC. Azuki NFT's collection was launched when BAYC NFT's collection had already dominated the market, but still, it grew and also took the price of its few NFT to millions of dollars. Talking about Azuki NFT's utility, you can use it as your profile picture, or you can use it as a pass to enter Metaverse, the Garden. Once you do so, you can win merchandise, NFT drops, and so much more. Let's imagine someone's offering you either BAYC or Azuki NFT. Which one should you pick? Whether BAYC NFT should be your first pick since it's more expensive, or choosing an innovative version of NFT like Azuki seems best. BAYC NFT's collection has already traveled through the period where it has to struggle to increase its price. Its amazing strategy of selling the NFTs to celebrities and letting people share the NFT's picture gave it much needed fame. And today, it no longer needs any endorsements at all. The reason is that everyone in the NFT and crypto world already knows what Bored Ape Yacht Club is. No one can forget these signature apes, with a cigar in their mouth and an earring in their ears. If you want to go with a project that can be the next BAYC in the future due to its innovative concept of NFTs, Azuki should be your pick. Owning BAYC NFT now means getting an instant profit at this very moment, while having an Azuki NFT means waiting for the profit to come in the future. Every single NFT of BAYC is worth above $20,000, while not every Azuki NFT is worth that much. Did you know that BAYC and Azuki sold one of the most expensive NFTs ever created? Don't be shy, comment right below in the comment section. Would you love to own those ape-style NFTs? Or would you choose Azuki NFTs to customize and then display on your profile? Also, here's another reminder, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to watch more amazing videos about the crypto world. We don't want you to miss these new projects you didn't know existed. Until the next video, stay tuned.